When we started, we barely had enough to get by, but we always got by. When it got hard and pushing came to shove, you were always standing by my side. Like birds that fly high, fish beneath the sea, they live in the blue sky and waters down deep. It's all that I've known and everything I need, but it took some living for me to see. Now I know that I need you for highs and lows and in between. You carry the weight, it's just part of your daily routine to be so good to me.